Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your credit utilization with Experian Boost, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin fixing your credit utilization, first, understand what credit utilization is. Credit utilization refers to the ratio of your current credit card balances to your total credit limits. A lower credit utilization ratio can help improve your credit score. The first step is to sign up for an account with Experian. Visit the Experian website and click on the option to create a new account. Provide your personal information, including your name, email address, and social security number. After signing up, verify your identity by following Experian's prompts. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Experian Boost feature. Click on the Boost My Credit Score button to begin the process. Experian Boost allows you to add positive payment history from utility and phone bills. Connect your bank account to allow Experian to access your payment history. This connection is secure and will only be used to verify your on-time payments. Review the payments that will be added to your credit report. You can choose which payments to include or exclude from this process. Once satisfied, confirm your selections to proceed. The next step is to submit your information to Experian. After submission, Experian will update your credit report with the added payments. Monitor your credit score to see the improvement in your credit utilization. Remember, lower credit utilization can lead to better approval rates for credit applications. Repeat the process if you have additional accounts or bills to add in the future. Keep track of any changes in your credit behavior to maintain a healthy credit score. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.